To bake displacement maps, your model needs to have a multi-res modifier on it, with different levels of detail from a base mesh to high detail. If you want to know how to reconstruct lower detail levels, you can watch my video about that. UV unwrap the model and create a new texture for the displacement map. Set render engine to cycles and check bake for multi-res. Bake type should be set to displacement and the viewport level to 0 or 1. Then click bake and wait. Open an image editor and save the displacement texture. I recommend OpenEXR for best results. Full float saves the highest amount of detail. To use the displacement texture, you can use a displacement node. In material settings, choose displacement only to make the displacement visible. In Eevee this doesn't work, but you can use a displacement modifier instead.